connections. I 3D printed these flexible holders. They simply snap onto the PCB and then I can slide them onto the rail. C# and loading the code in the background. So what happens when the robot has finished drawing? Take a look at this. I made the robot draw all of the details in the first layer. What I did was to use regular acrylic paint and then medium to thin it so it became more transparent. This meant I could paint the yellow over the black details and still preserve most of the black and most of the details. One drawback I noticed, the permanent marker from the robot, as it moved across the textured canvas, the tip became worn, which gives this artifact you can see. So what I did was to simply angle the marker so it's 30 degrees in relation to the canvas. So this is the third painting me and the robot did together. Here you can see much more clearly how I have used paint on top of the black detail mask. You can see how the lines at this point, the details become much tighter. And I did a change during this painting. Onto the draw hand I just taped a piece of foam, which meant it didn't wobble around anymore, or at least much less, which is why all of the details became much more overlapping here and also tighter or smaller. For this most recent painting, I just started with a completely orange painting and then made the robot do its work after I had made a photo in Photoshop. It was a lot of fun because I experimented with halftones. So actually there are 4 levels or 4 tones in this painting. We have the black and we have the orange, which